Now, immediately after his death, reconciliationist sentiments flooded both the Northern and the Southern press. Okay, this is a quote from the Boston Tribune. The North mourns the South's loss as the Union's loss and extends sympathy to North Carolina, whose hero was the first to fall in defense of the Stars and Stripes. Ensign Bagley's bravery and fearlessness of life for our country has shown the world that sectionalism no longer exists. Okay, the Philadelphia Press printed, a Southern state gave the first victim under the flag of a reunited country. Okay, the New York Tribune, an intensely Republican newspaper, all right, says, quote, with his blood, he has sealed the unions of arms of the North and South. A people who once fought against the Stars and Stripes send one of their sons as the first sacrifice for the honor and glory of that flag. There is no North and South after that. We are all Worth Bagley's countrymen, unquote. We also see tributes and wreaths from the Grand Army of the Republic organizations. Y'all know who that was? The Grand Army of the Republic? Those are Union Civil War veteran groups. So they're sending their, because remember, Bagley is a son of the Confederacy. His father was a major in the Confederate Army. His grandfather was part of the Confederate government, right? So we see tributes and wreaths come from them, as well as also Confederate veterans groups. So this new memory that was purposefully designed says that Bagley's blood paid for the South's secession during the Civil War. It has restored Southern honor and manhood. But perhaps more importantly, it gave Southerners another opportunity to embrace and honor their Confederate past.